bunch of flips and hopefully flips that you can learn how to do. Now, the first trick, this is one of the most easiest tricks, so that's why I'm hoping you guys can learn how to do this. It's a kip up. Now, I would probably get like a floor or on your trampoline before you do this on real ground, because this can hurt. So, step one on doing a kick up, you gotta get on the ground. You gotta get on your back. Then you gotta put your hands behind you, right here on your back, so that way, and then push. I messed that up. There we go. And then push up with your hands. And I don't even need my hands, but it's easier with hands. And then just try to land on your butt, okay? Try to get on your butt in that. First, try to go like that, see? Try to get height. Once you learn how to get on your butt a bunch, then you go for height. See? Now just try to get on your feet this time. Just touch your feet. See? You don't have to land it. But after that, once you get really good with that, then you can try to go full stand up. At the end, it should look like this. Your kip up should look like this. And that's one pretty simple trick that you should know. Most people can get this. Now don't feel bad if you can't. Some people just can't get this. I said most people, I didn't say all people. So, that's trick one. The next trick is a front foot. Nah, I'm just kidding. That's a bit too advanced for an easy trick. So, this next trick is basically a backflip, but it's pretty simple. Most people can get it. First thing to do to practice is to jump on your back and then get a bunch of height. So you have to do a bunch of steps until you feel comfortable. Do the rest. And once you get done with that, just land on your knees, okay? Land on your knees. Once you get done with it, by the time you it should look like this when you land on your knees. See? Knee hit, not leg hit, knee hit. Once you feel comfortable with knee hit, then actually try to do the leg hit. Once you feel comfortable with the leg hit, you can only do this on the trampoline, just so you know. I probably should have said that earlier. But yeah. So, well, at the end, once you feel comfortable, you can go on your legs. And when you go on your legs, this is what it should look like. But I forgot this one step. Before you do before you go on your leg, you should go and use your hand to lift you up as if you were doing a handstand and then fall on your legs. And that should look like this. Shoot, I messed that up. I'm too good at this. And then on your knees, and then your legs. Then you probably could do it. Oh. And that's exactly why. Now, just keep doing that before you do the final move, which once you get comfortable with that, then you can try a backflip. I still can't do a backflip, so. Okay. For this trick, in order for me to teach you this trick, you gotta like and subscribe. And if you don't like and subscribe, then I'm not doing the trick for you. If I don't get at least 10 viewers, no, not at least 10 views. At least my goal is to hit 200 viewers. Now, if I can get 200 viewers, then I will not delete this video. And also, I will unleash another video of me showing you how to do a front flip, which is pretty scary, but I'll teach you. If this video gets 200 views, 200 likes actually. If you can't like and you're still a kid, then ask your mom if you can like to my channel. She can like to my channel, and then we can do it. Also, I'm gonna invite my brother in this eventually. My brother's eventually gonna get in this video. I'll show you it later. I'll call him down from upstairs. Nobody knows where my house is or where anything, 'cause I'm not allowed to say that, like all YouTubers. And and the next one is just a dive roll. Before you do the dive roll, just practice the dive, okay? Just do the dive, okay? In the dive, just go like this. And then put your hands on the ground. You do hands forward 1 second, then put them on the ground, and then push forward. Now you drag your belly while you're doing it. On your trampoline, okay? Do it on a soft surface. After that, you then practice the roll, okay? Do a roll. See, now the roll, both those are pretty easy, but they're a bit harder when you combine them together. Now, not everybody knows how to do it. That's why I'm trying to show you, but most people know. So, after that, okay, so once you get comfortable with both of them, then you can do the dive slowly, close to the ground, bend down your knees, and then go dive. And once you feel comfortable with that, you can do the whole thing. And that's what it should look like at the end. Now, also, once you get done with this, if you're like trying to do a front flip or a dive roll from a really high place, something from a really high place, and you're meant to land forward, like a dive roll or a dive from a high place, then you would take this move. It's called a shoulder roll. You would pick which shoulder first. Since I am a righty, I'm gonna pick my right shoulder because I just feel like it. You go down and you all over your shoulder. Now I kind of did it wrong because you're normally used to doing it fast. And you're meant to push again and just do a bunch and do a roll. Once you get used to the roll, then you can do the dive into the roll, which you should start from down here, the crouching position, and like that. Also, you have to tilt your head a bit so you don't roll over your head. So like over here like this. And once you get comfortable with that, do that like a couple of times until you feel good with it. Then you can do the full roll. All these tricks have to be on a soft surface at first because it's like they're gonna become painful if you don't know how to do it. So do it on a soft surface, okay? Just so you know, this is easy parkour tricks for everybody out there who doesn't know. And then the final part should look like this once you're finally ready. Oh, I messed that up. There you go. So you know, once you do that, then you should be able to do a bunch of parkour tricks that will protect you from the landing, like a dive roll. But instead of the roll, you do the side thing, which is why I want to tell you this now. After I tell you the dive roll, after you see. Okay, so those are easy tricks for beginners. And, well, see you guys later, I guess.